So hello everyone, myself Aryan and I am back with another video on class 9's biology's chapter 2, which is tissues. So first thing that before starting this chapter, what is tissue? Okay, so as the definition says, tissues are group of cells, means this is a cell, and when we combine many cells together, it will form a certain kind of tissue. This will be called as tissue. I know my drawing is very bad. Uh, so, proceeding with this video, first we will take a very quick recap that what we are going to do in this tissues section. First, we will be dividing tissues in two categories. One is plant tissues and animal tissues. We will be proceeding later. And in plant tissues, we will first discuss the meristematic tissues and and then after that the permanent tissues. So meristematic tissues are what that divide, that are capable for division. See, here it is written, cells are capable of division. So in these tissues, the cells which are present in these tissues are capable for division. They can divide very rapidly to grow and to increase their number. There are majorly three types of meristematic tissues: apical meristem, in intercalary. So here is apical meristem, intercalary, and lateral meristem. So these are located in three different parts of the plant stem. So in this video we will be discussing only this much part, and after that in next of our videos we will be discussing the permanent tissues and other tissues like animal tissues also. And then let's proceed with this uh, topic. So first, meristematic tissues. So what are meristematic tissues? They are the tissues in which cells always keep dividing and they keep giving rise to new cells called meristematic tissues. So meristematic tissues are what which keep dividing rapidly. They keep dividing like here. Some at some time this apical meristem was at this stage, and then it grew very much rapidly, and then it got this much height, and the tissues which were growing, they just they were just kept here only. They just went to be here and they were stuck here, and after that the apical meristem will grow furthermore to increase its tip and to grow the stem of the plant. Okay, so these are present in the plants and apical, and starting with the apical meristem, these are present at the growing tips. As I said that these are present at the tips so that the plant can increase its height. That is why they are present at the tips, and on the tips of stems and roots also, because the roots also have to go deep in the soil, so to get nutrients. Like this part will be of the apical meristem, which will grow furthermore in the soil. Okay, so thus are helpful in increasing the length of the stem and the root, and it acts as a promeristem, having actively dividing cells giving rise to other meristems. Means that they keep giving rise to other meristems also. That is, at some time, at some particular period of time, this will give rise, this have given rise to this part. So the here a meristem has been created, which is the intercalary meristem. Okay, so this tip part was the apical meristem, and then the leftover part which is left behind by the apical meristem is the intercalary. And after that it is present at the base of the leaves and the internodes, and on either side of the nodes, because the, these are present at the nodes. Nodes are what, from where the branches are going to get separated. Here you can see that the branches are getting separated, so these are called the nodes, from where the branch part gets separated. Okay, and these are all of twigs. Nodes of twigs means the branches which are getting separated, and it is helpful. Okay, once, yes, it is helpful in longitudinal growth and the elongation of the plants. It helps in the longitudinal growth, which means the straight growth of the plant, and the elongation of the plant, that this meristem, this part of this, let me just erase it, this part will also go further, and it will grow more as a branch rather than being just a twig. And then the last of the meristematic tissue is the meristem, which is also called cambium. So this meristematic tissue is present at this part. This is the lateral meristem here present, and these are present in the sides of stems. These are present in the sides of stems, as you can see in this picture, and they help in increasing the girth. Girth means the width of the stem. They will keep growing this way. This part will keep growing this way, and this part will keep growing this way. So this will increase the, this will help in increasing the broadness of the plant. Okay, and the girth means that the same, that the broadness of the plant, of the stem, and the roots also. Okay, so this was for this class. That it was very short topic to make this video very short. And then in the next classes we will be studying about permanent tissues of the plant, and which are mature cells which are not capable for division. They have a further division of simple permanent tissues, only single type of cell is present in them, and then complex and compound tissues where multiple type of cells is present. They are for the more division: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma of simple permanent tissues, and of complex permanent tissues there are further divisions of xylem and phloem. We will study their structures in our later videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it as much as possible. Thank you.